Workiz is built for field service businesses that run high call volume, and appliance repair fits that model almost perfectly. Fast booking, dispatching, and customer communication matter more here than deep project management. By the end of this, you'll know if Workiz makes sense for an appliance repair business or if another platform would fit better. Here's the direct answer. If your company handles daily repair calls for washers, dryers, refrigerators, ovens, and dishwashers, Workiz is usually a strong fit. If your business depends heavily on advanced inventory or warranty workflows, it can have limits. Start with scheduling. Appliance repair is all about speed. A customer calls because the fridge stopped cooling or the washer won't drain. That job needs to get booked fast. Workiz keeps scheduling simple. Office staff can assign jobs, track technicians, and update customers in one place. That reduces missed calls and messy calendars. Dispatching is one of the stronger parts. If a tech finishes early or a same-day emergency comes in, the office can move jobs around quickly. That keeps more jobs on the board. The mobile app works well for technicians too. A repair tech can view job history, add notes, upload photos, and create invoices in the field. That shortens the payment process. Customer communication is another big plus. Automatic reminders and technician arrival updates reduce no-shows. That matters because appliance customers usually want clear timing. Workiz also works well for call tracking. If your business gets leads from ads or local search, tracking incoming calls can help you see what's producing jobs. That's useful for growth. Now the weak spots. Inventory can be a challenge. Appliance repair often means carrying boards, motors, belts, sensors, and brand-specific parts. Workiz can track simple items, but it's not the strongest for complex parts management. That becomes a bigger issue as your team grows. Warranty tracking can also feel limited if you deal heavily with manufacturer claims. That creates extra manual work. Reporting is solid for service volume, but lighter than bigger platforms built for deeper operational analytics. So is it worth it? If you're a small to mid-sized appliance repair business doing residential service calls every day, Workiz fits the workflow well because it's fast, clean, and service-focused. If your business is heavy on parts logistics or warranty complexity, you may need something deeper. The 3 things to remember are simple. Workiz is strong for scheduling, strong for dispatch, and strong for customer communication. The next step is to look at whether your biggest bottleneck is missed calls, scheduling, or parts management. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.